All right, we are back on another video. You may notice that the garage is somewhat cleaner, and there's no green car in here. It just like woke up and ran away. I don't know where it's at. I recorded a whole bunch of doing some green car stuff, which now I don't have the files for because it coded it weird, and then I tried to reformat the codec, and then it just corrupted. So I've lost a lot of footage. I mean, not really a lot, but like, we got to this part. Last video y'all saw the front tail lights were done. Well, the rear tail lights came in, and they looked fabulous. The tarp is pretty much settled on here, honestly. Like, we're gonna put it back out in the sun here in a minute. I messed with it, the adjusters, stretched it out a little bit more. We're gonna put it back out in the sun here in a minute though, because now that we have tail lights and everything is all on, we can wash the car. And I've been wanting to wash the car for a while. Went ahead and ordered some wipers, and we're also going to do the windshield wiper fluid, little hoses. Fix that all up, but it needs to be washed first. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wash it. The other thing that I didn't get to have on footage was the touchscreen radio, which is kind of baller. Oh, well, I gotta move the seat back. It's all janky. Go ahead and lift her up. Pull her way back. There we go. One-handed, professional. Okay. Yeah, we got the touchscreen in there. The CarPlay does work. I had that showing y'all that on footage. I'll have to redo that later on, but yeah, she's looking pretty good. This is kind of bothering me, the way it kind of wants to lift here. I don't know if it's just not settled yet. Tires are ordered. They're actually at the shop to be put on. I'm gonna have to jack this up, take all 4 of the tires off because it's not tagged right now. So I would love to drive it down there. The only thing besides tires and like a general checkup, maybe another oil change, is that little dash that goes on the top, the bezel. I haven't got it yet. I have to find one that's cheap on eBay or something. It's really hard to find, I guess, a remanned version of it, which sucks. But I mean, I like it. I like how these turned out. I mean, whole car looks all right now. But I'm gonna back the S10 out, and we're gonna give it a wash, put y'all on some B-roll, and yeah, she should be looking pretty good, pretty darn good. So that's the goal. Let's see what she does. See how she looks. We'll back her out. Get her going. Dang. I can't keep admiring it. I mean, it's not like a custom built car, but like this car looked like shoot when I first got it. Just old, rusted. And now look at it. I mean, that's crazy. It's just crazy. It's crazy. It's definitely an eye-opener or something. Like, if it just feels good, I accomplished something pretty darn good. But anyhow, I'm gonna take this license plate out so we can clean behind it too, and I'll put you on the B-roll and we'll go from there. I can't wait. All right, I got the car back in. And dude, she cleaned up pretty good. She had a lot of like residue on her. I'm probably gonna wash it again with some ceramic, get it all nice and clean, do the windows. Got the wipers on, but I mean, you can kind of see some, it's definitely gonna need some detailing, but I know he's got a whole bunch of detailing stuff to cut and freshen up the paint. But yeah, she feels a lot better than she did, that's for sure. But yeah, that's about it for this one. It's just a quick update on the car. We got it washed. We got it pretty much driving ready besides tires. Oops. Go ahead and get rid of that. Besides tires. I think that's about it. I haven't really thought of anything else. Of course, I'm gonna go over the car again. Probably check all the, the bolts, tighten them all up, which is not fun, but better safe than sorry. Make sure everything looks good. I still need to heat up the exhaust and get the heat wrap all dealt with, but I haven't been able to drive it long periods of times yet, just down the road, private road. So for now, she's gonna sit. Actually, I gotta jack it back up probably tomorrow. We'll put the tires on it or go drop them off. But yeah, guys, she's there. She's way cleaner, dude. She's definitely cleaned up pretty good. I mean, I got my hoodie in here, I got a vacuum in here again, but I mean, I'm very happy that this turned out really well. The back drain for the sides, it works, so that's super happy. Which I don't think I could ever drive one of these soft tops because there's a little valley, the hole where the water goes, like in between. Like this piece is like the bologna, and there's two pieces of bread, or actually it's like a taco, and it's a valley that the rain goes in and drains out. Inside the car, there's a little valley in here. Yeah, guys, that's the end of this one. If you like what I'm doing, if you like enjoying watching it, leave a comment or like. Actually, no, Blake, if you're watching this right now, what is 6 plus 11? Let's see if he's actually putting it. Put the answer in the comments. I want to see if you're actually watching my videos. Don't be lying to me like that, man. You break my heart. But actually, let's do that. Let's do Blake, 6 plus 11. Casey, 9 times 2. Michael, 5 plus 4. Let's see what those answers come out of the comments. Let's test. But yeah, guys, if you're liking it, leave a like, a comment, subscribe. I'd love it. I'd love for a subscribe. I'd like to get us going good. I like these people who are interested in stuff like this. And there's not many more videos of the Miata left, guys. It's about gone. It's getting ready to say goodbye. I'm kind of bittersweet about it, but on to new projects, and I hope the owner are pleased with what I've done to it, what I've worked on it. It's my first Miata build. It's my first by-the-book OEM build, besides the touchscreen radio. That was a little bit of built by belt, sparkle salt. But yeah, guys, it's kind of bittersweet, but more projects to come. You guys have a good day. I'm going home, or I'm home. I'm going inside. I'll edit this video, get it ready for y'all, and my wife should be home. Gonna cook some dinner and just have a relaxing weekend. You guys do too, okay? You guys have treat yourself. All right, guys, have a good one.